Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In my previous video, we learned about accounting vouchers creation. So today, we will continue to learn some more accounting vouchers. So let's get started. Optional voucher. This is another non-accounting voucher which is available only if the feature use reversing journals and optional vouchers is set to yes in the features option. It differs from the memo voucher in two respects. Number one, it is not a voucher type since all the other voucher types can be marked as optional during a voucher entry. Number two, you have the option to bring this voucher into your accounts temporarily and see its effect on financial reports. Any voucher type except non-accounting voucher can be designated as an optional voucher. Post-dated vouchers. Post-dated vouchers are ignored by Tally.erp9 until the date in question. This is useful for entering transactions that make place on a regular basis. For example, if you pay for something by installments, you can set up the payments in advance, and Tally.erp9 will only enter them in the ledgers as and when they fall due. A voucher is marked as post-dated while creating or altering it. Moving on to next, which is creating a new voucher type. ABC company wants to record bank and petty cash payments differently and needs two new voucher types to replace the predefined payment voucher. In order to do this, you need to create a bank payment voucher. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Accounts Info, select Voucher Types, then Create. Enter in the name section as bank payment. Select payment under type of voucher. Specify the default Tally.erp9 voucher whose functions the new voucher should copy. Abbreviations. Specify the abbreviation to denote the new voucher in reports. You can choose one of the mentioned methods for numbering from the pop-up. Automatic. For Tally.erp9 to do it for you. Manual. You do it. You can also specify if you wish to prevent duplicates. None. To disable numbering for this voucher type. Use advanced configuration. Keep that no. Use effective dates for vouchers. Keep that no. Make optional as default. Keep that no. This is to set the voucher type as an optional voucher by default. Use common narration. Set it yes. Narrations for each entry. Set it no. Print after saving voucher. Set it no. Name of class. You can skip that. The voucher date is taken from the current date mentioned at the gateway of Tally.erp9. However, the effective date for the voucher may be different. For example, entering a post-dated check. Tally.erp9 displays the narration field which applies to the whole voucher. By setting use common narration option to no, we can have separate narration fields for each line on the voucher. Reversing journals are used for scenario management. The name of class field enables creation of voucher classes for the respective voucher types. The voucher class is a template to customize voucher data entry. A blank payment voucher type creation screen may appear as shown in the screen. Press Y or enter to accept the screen. That's it guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.